Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. This is Chajuro pear. And we just finished talking about Shinsiki pear. And what they have in common is these two are both relatively early in the season. They hang on the tree for a long time. And they're sweet. They're really good. They're really nice pears. You can imagine them when they first start to ripen, using them as a kind of a salad pear with that crisp taste. But eventually their sweetness will increase over time. This Chajuro pear is very healthy. There's no signs of disease here. It grows a lot every year, like probably from here on up was pruned last year. So what you're looking at is 1 year of growth plus the fruit. So it's a very vigorous pear tree. And on top of all that, it grows in we have really poor soils here. It's mostly clay, and the orchard was previously a pasture that had been hayed for many years. But for some reason, Chajuro and our other Asian pears don't mind it at all. In fact, I think they kind of like it. So some of them are at different stages, but let's try this one. Let's see how this one looks. It's a little darker than its neighbors, so maybe that means it's more ripe. It's a very pretty pear. It's not necessarily russeted. It's just kind of a brownish yellow. That's great. It's right behind Shinseki in terms of ripeness. So what a great sequence. Totally edible now. You know, we might grab a bunch and dehydrate them and see how they do. But they're still an early pear. And like I said, they'll hang on the tree. So as this ripens, it will continue to just sit there waiting for us to pick it. This is Chojuro pear. It's an Asian pear, comes in pretty early. We've liked it the entire time we've had it. It gave us fruit the first year after we planted it. So it's very prolific, it tastes great. And gosh, it's healthy. Look at that.